Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Liberty TV pour une nouvelle émission, les coulisses du voyage. Aujourd'hui, on va voyager et c'est en Grèce que nous partons. J'ai le plaisir de recevoir sur ce plateau Eleni Scarvelli, si je le prononce bien, la directrice pour la Belgique et le Luxembourg de l'Office du tourisme de la Grèce. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Merci beaucoup d'être avec nous. So, can you explain a bit to our viewers why you choose the date for a national day?
The 25th of March,
Yes.
it's a national day. It's not the only one. We still have the 28th of October, which is the day from the independence. But the 25th of March, which is equivalent important, both of the days, it's because of the revolution which started in 1821 from the Ottoman Empire.
And how do you celebrate this?
The celebration, it's not festive, we would say, because everybody remembers that day
Yes.
very, very with a lot of glory, I could say. It's the revolution which happened after a lot of attempts of revolutions, and which actually reminds Greeks that they have to be united in order to achieve this goal. And there are some parades, but that day it's chosen as well because it's the day of the Annunciation of Mary.
Okay. And is there a special dish to eat this day?
Yes, actually there is. It's fried cod, but we eat it with a lot of garlic.
Okay. And is it a dish that we can find here in Belgium or in France in Greek restaurants?
Yes, as a special dish, yes. I know that there is some restaurants, Greek restaurants, but maybe just as for a special dish, not every day.
Now, can you briefly describe the appeal of the country? Because it's a big country. There is a lot of things to visit.
Yes, it's true. There's a lot of things to visit, and there's a lot of different things, starting from the gastronomy. As I said, this is a traditional dish, the fried cod. You can find it everywhere in Greece, which is something not very common because every destination, every region has its own dish, its own cuisine, which is that's something very nice, to be honest, because in every place you go, you will find something different.
Okay, and to visit, there is, of course, the Acropole in Athens, but there is a lot of things.
Yes, the Acropolis Athens is, of course, the symbol for cultural civilization. But on top of that, it's very important to visit Athens during this period because it's the new Acropolis Museum, which the exhibits of the Acropolis Museum, it's really unique and
Very modern.
very modern, very, very well designed, and you have the feeling of being inside to the rock because the view of the museum is just on the same height as is the rock itself, the rock of Acropolis.
Okay, and the pieces that we can find in this museum are well conserved?
Yes, they're well conserved by the archaeologists, but of course, as you know, they're not all of them there. A lot of them are still in the British Museum in London.
There is a big work to conserve all the monuments in Greece.
Yes, because there's a lot of monuments. The works sometimes take a lot of time because they need to be very, very in a lot of attention. It's true that a lot of people, when they visit it, they don't understand that, but it's the archaeologists and it's their job to preserve this.
Okay, and the archaeologists continue to dig the sites, or they hope to find something else?
Yes, there is a continuous there's continuous work. We have to admit that because you can imagine how many ruins are underneath every region. Even the metro in Athens, you can see all the ruins that has been found, and most of the sites, most of the stops of the metro is actually like a museum.
Okay, well, that's interesting and free.
Yes, exactly.
There is also the islands. Is it really completely different from the continent?
Yes, it's completely different. And in the islands, the mentality is different as well. And it's, of course, the sea. But I would have to say that from the capital of Athens, that it's one of the capitals that it's has the opportunity to be so close to the beach. So if you are in Athens, you can be in 10 minutes away to the closest
so
beach.
we can combine.
Exactly. So you can buy summer vacations with a capital, which is something not very usual in most of the cities. But of course, the islands, the Greek islands, which are very well known, and it's not only the famous islands like Mykonos, Santorini that everybody knows, or Creta and Rhodes, which are the favorite islands here in Belgium. But there are, of course, a lot of islands that they're unknown, or they're not so touristic, I could say. For example, the island of Limnos, of Chios, of Kat.
So we have to make a cruise to visit all these islands.
Yes, there is always a chance for a cruise. You can either combine it with the boat of that we have as normal, the normal boats by the sea, or you can have a cruise that's been organized, especially for only cruise. But usually, which is very nice, I think, is if you start from the port of Piraeus in Athens and go one of the islands, like it will take 7 hours, but it will be like a long cruise because you stop to every island there.
Okay.
You can see the islands, just have a view and continue to the next one.
And every island is habitated?
Yes, most of the islands are habitated, but of course there are small islets that they're not.
So we can also do scuba diving, or
yes, this is I think one of the good things that you can do in Greece. The scuba diving, all the sport activities, the hiking and parasailing and surfing. Yes.
Okay, but you have a big island where there is Knossos.
Yes, of course, Creta. Creta, it's very well known. It's the first favorite destination here in Belgium, and in a lot of countries, to be honest. It's true that there are a lot of hotels, big hotels, small hotels, apartments, things that you can find, whatever it comes to your value.
Okay, and when we go to Cyprus, are we still in Greece?
And no, officially it's not a Greek state, but of course it's we speak the same language. It's the Hellenic civilization, so it's a lot feeling like Greece.
Okay, so there is a lot of things to do, to visit and to discover, and also to eat, but you have to make sports after that.
That's for sure.
Well, absolutely. Well, thank you very much, and happy National Day for the 25th of March.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming, and maybe we'll see you next year for another date.
Yes, on the 28th of October, the next time.
Yes,
then.
okay, yes. The appointment is ready. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup de nous avoir suivis. À très bientôt pour un autre Coulisses des voyages.